Man, I can't wait for this trick-or-treating season for the Monday. Woohoo! Well, I felt kind of worried about the Mondays. Well, are you sure you're gonna get some lasagnas? Are you sure you're gonna talk about lasagnas? Well, I think you have like really lasagnian candies you're gonna eat for that Monday. Well, seriously, no wonder why it's kind of strange that Halloween's gonna be on the Monday this year. Orange? What is it? Why is he staring at us? Orange? If you blink, and you're gonna get scared by this thing. He'll be come out of nowhere, you know. Oh, come on, are you sure you're gonna be something hypnotized or something? Hey, buddy, are you sure you're gonna move because we just like trying to walk back home, you know? Huh. Hey, Orange, you want this delicious sausage? Even though we are not cannibals, but we just pretend to be like that. Come on, eat the sausage. Eat this sausage until you stop looking at this vein. Eat the sausage or else you get scared if you blink and he'll get you. This isn't working. Hey, Orange, guess what? Chicken butt. Guess why? Because I got Spinning Billy to join you on this staring contest. Come on, Billy, just don't blink. Come on, just don't blink, Billy, don't blink. Or else Orange is gonna get blinked. Come on, just don't blink, Billy. Or else Orange is gonna blink too. And this fins came off. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. Let me get it. There, boom. Come on, come on. Please don't blink, Billy. And even you, Orange. Blink or you get scared from this fin. He'll come out of nowhere if you blink it. If you blink. Ah, screw it. Let me make this fin up. See? See? You see that puppet fin? He's dead. And Orange is the only one who's gonna stare at you. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Orange! Stop staring at this vein! If you blink, he'll scare you if you blink. Seriously, guys, are you sure we're gonna like standing at each other like all night? Well, I don't think so. Hey, Orange, are you sure you want to see my new best friend? His name is Nerlac. Hey, Nerlac, how you been? Man, I feel so blocky. Well, Nerlac, why so blocky? Because I felt so square out with just a space. Man, you always tell me some terrible jokes. Well, I'll have fangs on you. Man, you were like my best friend with a lot of funnier jokes than my friend. Well, how about this? If the puppet didn't have strings, who will be his master? I don't know, maybe a wither out spring lock animatronic? Well, I think he might get sprain locked if someone is inside of that vein. Wow, you always got me. Well, I think I'm gonna tell more jokes to make people laugh at my terrible jokes. I think I'm nixed out my ears. Hey Orange, I got you this balloon so you can be flying. Oh boy, I think I'm flying.
2,000 years later.
Wow, Pear, you headed me my seeds. Oh, finally. You're so glad you're finally back of staring at to this thing. Where did it go? Look behind you. There's no way to be afraid of something behind like that. Oh no. Ah! Oh! Ow! Well, you'll never be obeyed to the great mighty puppet, because I'm my new self right now. After I look really hideous in my withered form, I'm look fabulous. maybe you'll be like a fashion show designer. Ooh, that'll be fantastic. Oh yeah. Oh, now I gotta twirl it like a ballerina. I think I'm twirling in.